It's Thursday workday, and things are underway here in the late bloomer garden in Los Angeles. Eric is busy trimming up the orange tree, and he's already rounded up the pineapple guavas and the peppers. Got a little heat here. These are my orange Thai, and the red ones are the Peking pepper from Arizona. And they pack a lot of heat in a small package. And we're also going to plant cool season crops today. I was at my co-op yesterday, and they happened to carry botanical interest seeds. And I am an affiliate marketer for botanical interests. So if you're interested in growing their seeds, please use my link in the description below and help me make a little bit on the sale. But I picked up all direct sow seeds. I'm not seeding anything. I've got French breakfast radish. I've got daikon radish. I've never used that. I got some more rocket arugula. Can never have too much arugula seeds. And never had any luck with leeks. Gonna try those again. And even though I have so much mildew historically with peas, I picked up one package of Progress number 9. And cherry bell radish, and I love this, what is it, butterhead marvel of the 4 seasons, beautiful red lettuce, and of course the colorful gourmet blend of beets, and I love beets. So we're going to be planting these in containers today. If you're an urban gardener and the only space you have to grow is in containers, these are great direct sow things to plant in containers, especially for the season right now. It is the end of October. The weather is starting to change a little bit, even though we are year-round growing here in Zone 11A. It's a perfect time to plant these, and that's something we're going to do today as soon as we get kind of clean up. You know, we're still taking a few olives off the tree, cleaning up. And let me see if I can pick up this tray of pineapple guavas. Oh, I only dropped one. That has got to be 20 pounds. Okay. Eric is picking off the Peking peppers off this big bush. And we had a lot of orange Thai. Beautiful. Do you see many?
No.
Oh. Did you see olives up there?
No.
Just leaves? Okay. Some people asked me about my Sweet Annie today. This one didn't grow up straight, and it puts out these big side shoots, but this is a medicinal herb, and it is one of the best smells, if not the best smell in the garden. Oh, it's intoxicating. It's like the best perfume you've ever smelled. Even better than lemon verbena. This is the tail end of the olive harvest, and a lot of these are already shriveled up. And most likely the maggot has already escaped and gone down on the ground to overwinter. You can see on this green one how many piercings it had. It's kind of busy work because they'll fall off eventually anyway, but Maybe it'll cut down on the olive fruit fly numbers. There are a ton of olives still on this tree. Another great thing about the botanical interest seeds is, especially if you're a beginner and you really don't know what you're doing, so you open up the inside and it's got all of this additional information. So first of all, I am going to succession plant all of my cold hardy crops because we're not going to be eating that much, and I'm going to plant more seeds every 10 days to 2 weeks. But I thought these pots might be good for the leeks and the daikon radish because they're deeper. Eric and I are going to remove about half of this dirt, screen through the dirt because leeks like fine sifted soil, and I'm going to plant the seeds down low, and every 2 weeks you add 1 more inch of soil, and you keep mulch like straw or leaves or compost on the top to keep them moist. If you've never grown passion fruit, it drops off after it turns this plum color, and then you let it sit on your counter and darken and shrivel for a few days, and then it's ready to actually eat. I mean, I see hundreds from standing 10 feet away. Hundreds of olives. Just stop after that one, and
Maybe with the 3 or 4.
get it. Well, we just need to add some amendments to that, and then I'm going to do them like that, roll them down. I'm not going to fill them up very far, so we need to add some. Oh, you wanted to mix it all?
All together first. Dry. It's very dry.
Got it. So what I'm going to do is roll these taller cloth pots down and just put a few inches of soil in the bottom, plant the seeds, and as the leeks grow up, I'm going to add an inch of soil every 2 weeks. And it'll be the same effect as mounding them up. You put 2 seeds every 5 inches, so I think in here I'm going to put 4 sets of 2 seeds. Then you thin it out to 1 seedling once they're about 5 or 6 inches tall. It's looking good.
Yeah, ready.
Okay. So
We can put it here. Right here. One more?
yes. So I'm going to put these 4 seeds in that hole. These 4 there. Oops, just dropped one. Okay. You want to keep the soil moist. And because I have pine shavings, that's what I'm going to use. I like this stuff because it's very light. It's untreated pine shavings. You know, the tenderest of shoots will just come straight through that. It's so light. As for the daikon radish, it likes to germinate in warm soil. I just read on the inside of the packet. So I am going to put some black plastic over the top of these, and tomorrow, when the sun has been beating down on this, I'm going to plant my seeds. And you keep your black sheeting on there until they sprout. In the meantime, I am going to cover these pots up with netting, because if you've been watching, you know we have a raccoon problem. Reach up here. Oh, I didn't quite, almost fits, not quite. It's close enough. Okay. Looks good. I'm always talking about mixing it up, so why not? I'm going to put a few French breakfast, Cherry Belle, Gourmet Blends, Beets, and Rocket.
Put it on the bottom?
Yes.
Put it here?
Okay, coming. Ah, perfect. Now these are the little babies, but I had the two of them sitting around, so I'm going to put one right here, and I'm going to put one on this side. And hopefully this is easier. Nope. Nope. Big old roots in there. That's not gonna work. I need Eric. There are almost as many olives here
as I picked the other day. This is almost a quart. I should brine these. I really should.
Thanks so much for watching this channel, and if you enjoyed this video, try these. Wow, it's not that hot. Oh wait. Why do hot peppers give you hiccups? That's better. I don't think I'll do that again.